Hello guys, hello everyone. Guys, how are you all doing, guys? Guys, let's make some akara for breakfast. I'm going to make small quantity of beans, small quantity of akara for breakfast this morning, you guys. So I said, let me come here and make some video about this small breakfast that I'm going to make today. So yeah, I have my beans. Guys, I've already soaked these beans, okay? So yeah, I have these beans on my freezer for some days now. So yeah, it's a leftover beans that I used to make moi moi. So I kept it in my freezer. Now I'm going to use it to make akara for this morning breakfast, you guys. Yeah, I said let me come here and make some video to show you guys my small breakfast. So I'm adding it into my blender, you guys. Blender. This is it. It's a very small quantity, small one. Yeah. So let's blend it. So you guys, yeah, I have my onions. I'm going to blend these onions. I'm going to blend small quantity of the onions with the base. Then later we'll slice the rest on it. Okay. Small size of onion is what I'm going to blend with the beans. You know, there is this delicious flavor. Oh, this school just started again, guys. There is school very close to our house here. So yeah, whenever they want to come out on break, they want to go on break, they always play that sound, that alarm. Whenever they want to go on break, they always go break 11 o'clock. Yeah, the children always come out for break 11 o'clock, every 11 o'clock every day. I can't know the time, so they they're very close to our house here. So later I'm going to slice some fresh pepper. Okay, let me just blend this one. Let me just blend the beans. I don't understand the thing will clear. It will come out. It will clear dark. I don't understand the word that today. The word I get as today. So yeah, you guys, yeah, I have my beans and my onions. Let me blend. So guys, I have blended. I'm done blending the beans. Okay. So I'm going to turn it into this my plate. I'm going to turn it into this plate, you guys. Yeah. Hold on. I'm going to turn the rest. Yeah. Because I have these beans on the freezer for some time now. It is very well soaked. And if I said let me add a lot of water to it, it will not be good for me to fry. So I add just small quantity of water to blend it, little or nothing, you know. You know, like I said, I'm just put water to blender to help my blender. So I just add small water to the base. Okay. Yeah, that's what I'm doing right here, you guys. So I did not add a lot of water to it at all. I just add few water because the base is almost over soaked. When my clothes will also. All these children noise they enter my video. So you guys, yeah, I have the base. You can see it's not watery at all because I minimize the water that I add to it. So I'm going to add one pepper to it, you guys. Yeah, I'm going to add just one because I don't need much pepper in it. So yeah. So you guys, yeah, I have my onions and pepper. Yeah, Going to turn it and turn it. My akara and beans is ready. Akara with akamu. You guys, this is my breakfast for today. Akara with akamu. That's the pig make when I put too much. See my akamu very thick, but because of the pig make, akara and beans is ready. So good. It's been a while. It's been a while I eat akara and akamu. Thank God I have this leftover beans that I use for my man, the leftover, right? The beans that I use for my man. So the one that, the remaining one, they are kept in the freezer. So yummy, you guys. My breakfast today now, okay? The best breakfast ever. Let me say so bad. The best breakfast ever. So good. But make I go finish up. No, bye bye.